American English in Minutes, video number 4, using feel like to show your mood. Let's look at feel like in action. I feel like having an early dinner. I don't feel like cooking at home. I feel like pizza. Do you feel like going out, or should we have the pizza delivered? The last time I had a pizza delivered, I didn't have any cash to give the driver a tip. I felt like a fool. When I eat pizza in a restaurant, I always make a mess. I feel like a little kid. You can feel like doing or not doing something. I feel like watching this video a second time. My friend doesn't feel like watching a movie. What do you feel like doing? Nobody felt like talking because everybody was so tired. Do you ever feel like moving to a new place? Sometimes I don't feel like doing anything. When it's cold outside, I feel like eating all the time. Feel like meaning think that. My sister feels like she needs to be more independent. The young man's parents feel like it's time for him to move out. Sometimes I feel like life is just too hard. I got my hair cut really short because I felt like I needed a change. This soup is really good, but I feel like it needs more salt. Does it feel like time is just flying by? If someone asks about food, let's order some food. What do you feel like? I feel like Italian food tonight. I don't feel like pasta. Do you feel like something else? I feel like Chinese. Note, we are omitting, leaving out some words. I feel like eating Chinese food. I don't feel like having pasta. To feel like someone or something. When everyone laughed at her, she felt like a fool. In his designer outfit, he feels like a movie star. I felt like an idiot because I didn't know the answer to a simple question. I returned to my hometown after 10 long years and felt like a stranger. When I compare myself to others, sometimes I feel like a failure. I feel like a cat if I spend the whole day just sleeping and eating. Remember the past tense. Today I feel fine. Yesterday I felt worried. Do you feel all right now? I didn't feel so great before, but I've felt fine lately. Last night I felt like going out. I hadn't felt like going out in a long time. Vocabulary note. Felt is also the soft material that we put on the bottoms of things so they don't scratch a surface. You might have felt pads on the bottoms of the legs of a chair to stop it from putting marks on a wood floor. A pool table or billiard table is covered in green felt. Thank you for watching my channel, American English in Minutes. I hope you learned some new things. If this was helpful, please like and share. Please subscribe and check back for future videos.